wicked blood clot, yo. I want you to squeeze your blood clot throat.
Only make a man come tell you, say, him a God. And stab on up off. Only is the biggest pussy. Yeah.
What she take say from me for? The girl, why she do that? I mean, I know her. She just keep on call me phone. But she not go man and leave me. Go now. Go now. And move now. Move now. We not move. But then Shirley and Bless. Shirley and Bless respond. Move your blood clot and go now. But then Shirley and
Let me tell you why there's a big yard. No, fuck nobody. Girl, put on the other property. Me swear to Joe. Me never fuck body from the bar. Body man a gone, you gone. A woman will say me kill all of them.
The man them, when no girl come to you know, and I tell them about the problems them in a relationship, top tell mama say argument she a look. Cause anytime one brother start listen to mama, fuck you get fucking a brother. That me I tell you, your little expiration date fall faster than how it did plan for you, brother. That's your thing there, you know.
The party get drastic, get some street vibes, rum from Tad quick, get some sanitary cup in the plastic bag. Jano, somebody get ice, not nice. Get the white, the red, the overproof, the tonic wine. Everywhere we party, people want to know what make the cause a man so happy. Street vibes, from as much to mix up in our cup. Cranberry, the magnum, botanic up. Look for I wear so much yellow cup. Some for me, some for black rhino. Anyway, we roll it, woman have to come. Every gal invite, we're not letting out none. Touch the girl that pan her, but no she, the brown one with it. In other dance, the vibes can done. Mini me, pull a next cup, Fox want some. Or you make the cup them done when more rum come. You know, somebody get ice, not nice. Get the white, the red, the overproof, the tonic wine. Everywhere we party.
Top of the morning, bless the name of Jesus. Walk one creamy tight position now, yeah. You are link up.
Meanwhile, in Jamaica.
But when I plug it in and it get warm and start vibrate, and start vibrate on it. Whoa, yeah, just come me water. When I come and say, whoo.
Where? They can't do it.
But plenty of
man come.
Plenty of women walk with dead on me dildo.
What?
Mr. Rise, dirty banger. Rise, dirty banger.
I know say me a plan for a long time. Say me have the whole of my receipt them before this happen. Before shit hit the fan. Uno see say me a profit. Uno see say me know say something no right we don't know. Flip.
When someone says I'm not their cup of tea, I say just find your cup, no need to be rude.
I want another baby. I want another baby. I love my son. I want another son. And I want a girl. Or I can have 3 sons and a girl. I'm 24. I got my money. What am I waiting for? Can I have some sperm? somebody, I want another baby.
Don't worry about me. I'm alright. Over here, so minding my business. Yay! Round of applause!
Every Jamaican needs to see this. Isn't he supposed to be George William Sharp of the Maroons?
Tell you, say we not worry about nothing. As long as we got life, I'm doing okay, doing alright. How are you? I am fine.
When gas tank big and gas price too high.
Kryptonite coming out the most fighting at the middle of the night to make the place get nice.
Alright, respect. Cool. May I call on the back because I have a very important announcement to make. Tell Puta say me I give him 24 hours. Somebody call Puta on him phone and say, Puta, Spice says she give you 24 hours. So just delete the post. Better him just delete it altogether and finish up with it and nobody say nothing more. Somebody call Puta because everybody have the number and say, Puta, Spice I give you 24 hours. So just delete the post, finish up with it and just apologize and just call it at the end of the whole we move on and go have a Merry Christmas. Please. Because when we have more time, we will come back live. But me I give him 24 hours. I'm very busy right now. I love you guys.
Me giving my girlfriend my phone to video. Babe, why Digicel come over later? When my Jamaican husband is a truck driver and about 6 hours away.
Me soon come. Don't worry yourself.
Daddy, we need to give mommy money. Please she buy some snack for me. Katrina, yeah, got stress her out again, make she carry a coat again. Well, I know she got carry a coat this time on me. Because you're supposed to carry money from whole win. And you can't carry already. I left her if you go for work and wait till and wait your dick so long can't come.
Just because you get back your 1 year visa, you have to run up your mouth, so man. Just cool your mouth, man. Yeah, man. Have some respect, man. Have some respect. Please.
I saw these in the supermarket, and I had to get a few.
We can. No friends. Get rid of them. Oh, these no.
I wonder if I can lose the weight and go to the stripper. Because that degree something me and now work. And the wickedest thing nobody never send me. I mean, not fuck myself, but who girl 1 degree? Economics degree. Me too blood clan nothing for box me next time.
Remember, see, I'm modern days now. As a boy fuck himself, him got to go. And we not sit down and stress about it neither. Because in 1992, we know we auntie and we granny them. Remember, say bills still a go pay food, I go still in a girl house. And girl ear and nails, I go still blood clot up. And life no stop right blood clot this time. If we need a next man, all we have for blood clot do, I check with them. Because as one gone, one pan, so we get them. And if we run out a man, we check with blood clot them. I want to frighten for them. I want to run them down.
Cat tower. And I go like I can't fight me. But tell this, some man will beat it to blood clot a cat tower. So no fuck your tapping me. And no fuck your blood clot tapping me. I want girl, no blood clot afraid of you out of them blood. You think your girl and put it better for me? Me get one part time and that's it up with blood clot no. Dirty boy, thinking not to stop pussy effort. But suck a girl and pussy and love me. But suck out the girl.
Hate females like this, kiss me teeth.
Same thing. Same fucking thing.
Where did they go, audience?
Man, alright, Chantal, I could have anybody. Until then, my folks, be safe and God bless.
Can you stop for a minute? Take off your jaws and your top for a minute. Stop locking back for a minute. Put that in your wing, couple mouth shot for a minute. So we get fresh for a minute. Call up, when we come, we cash for a minute. Pussy said them a leave, stop them a minute. I saw them run, I saw them drop every minute.
We boss and take care of the one else, son. Chop it to the go. Yeah, we are getting Mama want corona. We boss. We boss and take care of the one. I want a small.
Stand 5 cent, 10 cent, dagger. Stand 5 cent, 10 cent, dagger. Dagger.
Fuck it up now, friend. Right, listen. Right, listen, friend. Boy. Right, listen. Last it. Good, friend. Right, listen. Boy.
More evidence to show you to not drive with your windows down in town.
Y'all no look and girl can't. Y'all can't need cocky and can't need flow. I mean, I understand no. See them and need body and can't need flour.
Y'all better can't cook. Think you know for your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book. Why in the kitchen cause you and them no look you better cook. Think you know for your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book.
Yes, Blue, that them do. Other food and that should have. You see all.
Hold on, yeah man, never fuck you like this. Never fuck you till you cry, cause the cocky too big, baby. Your pussy ever make a man cry, make him start go to church and change him life. Yeah, you know, say you're something grip right. I mean, fuck you for your boyfriend and give you a child, cute face, bright smile, cocky longer than a mile. Push it, you ball, wait, take your time now.